Pivot Works is the premium supplier for bearings and seals. Here's an inside look at our KTM rear wheel upgrade kits. Upgrade the rear wheel bearings on many of your KTM or Husaberg models out there with the Pivot Works KTM upgrade kit. The bearings incorporate larger balls, providing larger load carrying capacity. The bearings now seat on the axle instead of the wheel collars, more like the Japanese bikes that you're used to seeing. The collars and bearing spacers are military hard anodized to prevent wear. The collars incorporate Pivot Works watertight O-ring design to keep hubs dry. Upgrade kits include bearings, seals, watertight wheel collars, bearing spacer, and 2 sets of O-rings. Replacement bearings and seals for the upgrade kit, in the unlikely event that you wear out the bearings, can be purchased separately. Pivot Works kit number PWRWK-T13-000.